So, reviewing from yesterday, this sun, which is 93 million miles away from our Earth, which is about 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit in terms of temperature, with a composition of hydrogen and helium gas. So, on that surface, there's a chemical reaction occurring. Hydrogen gas is fusing with hydrogen gas to make helium and lots of energy. And this is the energy that travels out in waves towards us. So the only part of the spectrum we could see with our eyes is the visible spectrum. We have infrared, which is below the red over here in terms of wavelengths, and ultraviolet. Now, some organisms can see infrared and ultraviolet. We can't. We can only see visible light. We do have cameras that allow us to see infrared. I'm going to include today my favorite video on infrared farts. Yep, I said it, farts. And then ultraviolet, of course, we know is the kind that can damage your skin or stimulate it to make melanin, but it can change the DNA in your skin and give you skin cancer. So that's a representation of the waves. These are low energy waves, infrared. As a matter of fact, today you'll feel these as heat outside, the ones that are over here. And then ultraviolet, you can see how closely packed the waves are to each other. Those are high intensity waves. Think of that as like being a choppy day at the beach with the waves coming in, chop, 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 chop. Very powerful, where these would be your long, rolling, low tide waves with not so much energy, not as much energy as these waves.